Hi, welcome to this video. I wanted to show you an update. I was hit in the jaw, and as you can see, I've been hit in the eye, and I'm updating my Twitter account under @Shamega Johnson. And I'm going to the authorities and letting everyone know what's going on. I'm going to try to open my eyes wide enough so you can see how the face really looks. I normally show you an update of my temple area. And I always remind you folks how I think this is happening. But I want to make sure we continue to get this word out that this is happening to people. You're not insane. You're not crazy. I'm 48. I've never had any mental problems, never been diagnosed with any sort of mental illness. So I want you to know, if you're going through this, please call the police, alert the authorities. I've been adding on Twitter the FBI, the CIA, Interpol, so that if this is going on throughout the world, people will be aware of it. The last thing I want to do is be that person who didn't speak up and didn't tell anyone what's happening to me. And when this first started happening to me, I was so upset, and I made a point of telling everyone in my circle, I'm not suicidal, I'm not homicidal, this is happening. And the more I think about it, if I hadn't known that I could record this and I could document it, I probably would have been suicidal. I probably would have reacted the wrong way. Let me show you the irritation on my neck and my shoulders so you folks can see how these marks occur. And when they fall off, and you can see the irritation, when they fall off, they leave light spots. So had I not known to document and alert people, I probably would have thought I was going nuts. I told you folks in previous videos, I work for companies, usually in sales, where I'm interacting with customers. I can't go to work looking like this. And I also, have a startup eBay business. I write. I cannot, and my Twitter handle is @FashionFunFemme, FEMME, which is Bellasoul-Shamega Johnson. My name's on it, so I cannot interact with people and do the things I have to do if my head is hurting, if I'm limping around, if I'm in pain. This would have destroyed me had I not been documenting everything and telling people. So if you're going through this, please do the same thing. Call the FBI. Contact them. They have a web page. They said storage space is running out. They have a web page. Contact the CIA. If you can't do it, if you don't have a cell phone or computer service, call. Tell people what's happening. Do not keep this to yourself. Do not think you're going nuts. I mentioned this in a previous video. When we had the anthrax scare decades ago, everyone was calling the authorities about any little thing that was in their mail. It's not against the law to contact the FBI. It's not against the law to call the police. If this is happening to you, notify them, and they'll let you know the next steps. So don't keep it to yourself. I think that there are criminals who are maybe in gangs or in some criminal organization attacking people for various reasons. It's not for me to say what reason. Call the police. Notify the FBI.